Hey, so I don't want to upset the SIG fanboys out there. I know you guys are a serious bunch, and I'm not looking to make any enemies. But if you saw my other videos, the SIG MCX SPEAR had a couple issues with it. Different bolt carrier groups sent it away to SIG, and they told me it's because I use cheap ammo. You know, LAX ammo, which is kind of weird for a very expensive gun. You can't take ammo that some of my really cheap guns have no problem with. They say it's getting pieces in here. It fragments the bullets, and so we're going to take it apart and see, because we were jamming up. If you look at one of my later videos about the SIG, how the hell does this thing come off again? It's supposed to just like slide to the side. I really wanted to like this gun. It's a beautiful gun. It feels great. It just doesn't shoot well. I'm gonna have to look up to see. Oh wait, you know what? I think it's this thing here. Pull that out. There you go. Is that it? Is that the ticket? You get old, your hands get sore pretty quick. Do I have to take this thing out? I don't think so. Oh, I guess so. Oh. Keep you two together. Like, there's a little hole. Put it in the little hole. There you go. There you go. That works. Kind of just winging it here, boys. All right. So now next we want to take out the pin. So just give that a little tight, little tap right there. I don't think it's too hard. The thing pops right out there. Yep. And then there's like this spring-loaded thing for the pin to come out. Let's see what would be good for that. Oh. Okay, so that's different than my other bolt carrier group. Oh, you know what? Look at that. There is fragments in there. That's interesting. Okay, so when this is the top, the extractor is facing that way. Just remembering that so when we put it back together. I got to get a flashlight and look in there. Okay. It does seem a little crusty on there, although I don't know why that would be stopping the bolt carrier from moving. Let's see which way does this come out. Where are you, little guy? I know I got a little tiny one right there. Yeah, there you go. Up. See where I put you over there. And that's the extractor. So we're kind of inspecting it pretty closely. It shows there. Okay. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, there is little fragments in there. I'd be lying to say that if I didn't see something. I mean, I can't believe that that's really That's going to cause the bolt not to return. It's a little finicky, huh? For a very Very, very expensive gun. Let's take a look down the down here. I think that looks pretty good. We could probably clean it up a little bit. Take it out next weekend. See how we do with it. It's just, oh, look at that right there. Really? Yeah, look right there. There's a big chunk right there. These guys couldn't design this better, huh? Yep, I'm gonna blame SIG. Why not? Alright, so we'll go in there, we'll blow it all out, and we'll make it nice and clean and lube it up, and it's like glitter almost. We'll try, maybe we'll try a better ammo. It's just, I mean, people have said that you got to use high, good quality ammo in these SIGs, or else they will have problems. I didn't want to believe that, but maybe that's the case. All right. And it's pretty easy, except for this one little part. Now, if you look at videos on YouTube, they even say, people even say this is a little tricky to get this one in here. So, what this is the thing that goes over the firing pin that the trigger pushes up so you can hit it. So, you have to get it in here, under, oh, wrong way. Wrong way. So this thing kind of loops in like that, and then these holes have to match up. But there's a tension spring right here, so you have to like push it in. It's real pain, real pain. I think I got a way where, and then the pin has to come in from this side, but it's hard to like get these lined up. So I find that if you push in the firing pin, kind of helps it a little. I bet you if you're left-handed, it's probably easier. So, let's see if this works. I don't want to move it around too much. Come on. So close, so close. So close. Oh, we got it. Yay. All right, cool. Yeah, so you got to push the firing pin in, and that helps get it in there. So, all right, so this, when I'm cleaning this, it wasn't that bad. It had a couple shards in there. They were like really tiny, not much at all. So it's kind of hard to believe that that's what caused this thing not to, move in and out. But you know, SIG says it's got to be super clean. So buy expensive gun, got to keep it super clean. Alright, let's just finish this thing up. So we got the charging rod in there. This should sit right on it like that. And there you go. Yeah, I don't know what this little piece, some little piece of metal, just, I don't know what that is. Is that a, that looks like a firing pin almost, or a primer. Huh, interesting. Interesting. Alright. Alright. So, we'll take it out next weekend. We'll see how it goes. Next weekend we'll hopefully I can get more than like 2 or 3 rounds to it. I'd be happy to get 4, and then we'll see where we go from there. So it's a really nice gun. I really want it to work. It's just been very finicky.